Good morning, class. I am Teacher Yudel. Welcome to our online class today. So I hope all of you are listening with me through online platforms, and this PowerPoint presentation or this topic would be our recent discussion in August, and I hope that na i-review po natin ito at in your midterm exam ay madaming lalabas dito na part. Okay? I hope na kayo ay magbabasa at magkinig lang kayo lagi. Pulot-ulit yun ang panoorin tong video ko. At sana marami kayong matutunan tungkol dito sa ating discussion ngayong araw na to. So, ang pag-uusapan natin tungkol sa about sa allied fields of physical education. Okay, no? Physical education is optimum development. Gaining knowledge to be fosters your self-discipline. Okay, so I will open my PowerPoint presentation now. Okay, so ayan, so ang ating tatalakayin ngayong araw na to ay the allied fields of physical education. When we say allied fields of physical education, it is the allied field of physical education and sports share many common purposes. So, ibig sabihin dito, madami mga purposes na pwede natin integrate sa atin bilang isang physical educator. Okay? So, ang gusto naman natin dito na mangyari, ang ating mga estudyante ay maging isang physically fit. So, ibig sabihin dito, madaming mga kaalyado ang mga physical education, o maraming branches ang mga physical education para matukoy natin kung ano nga ba ang pwede natin maitulong sa mga bata, sa mga estudyante natin, or tayo sa sarili natin, no? May purpose ang pag-aaral ng physical education, di ba? Kaya nga tayo nag-aaral ng PE para matulungan natin yung mga estudyante natin to their health, into their extracurricular activities, ayan, sa academe nila, ayan. So, no, the develop of the total individual and the concern of quality life. Okay? So, ang gusto mangyari ng isang physical education o physical educator, no, yung allied field of educations, it should be na kailangan natin ma-develop ang bawat individual na maging isang holistic person, well-rounded ang bawat isa. I-apply natin dito yung physical, social, mental, and spiritual. Okay? So, it should be the concern of the quality life, make the life to be more strengthened. Okay? You will be able to nurture your student. Okay, someday. Kailangan i-nurture natin, i-develop natin yung skills and talent nila. Okay? In this area, the allied to be filled is very in content of the subject matter and how the method used to accomplish their goal. Okay, ano ba yung mga goal natin? Ano ba yung ma-accomplish dapat na mag-goal natin? Okay, ano ba yung gusto mo mangyari sa sarili mo? Ano yung gusto mo mangyari to attain the educational level into your students? Okay, so that, ladies and gentlemen, kailangan mangyari ngayon ay we need to adapt, no, the allied fields of education, the physical education in your own life, in your own integrity, because someday you will become a teacher. Kailangan maturuan mo ang mga bata at magsimula sa iyo kung ano ang mga developmental purposes para ikaw ay maging isang well-rounded person. Okay, so next would be is health education. Health education, it is a concern with total well-being. As what I said, ladies and gentlemen, kailangan maging isang well-rounded ang isang individual to encompasses physical, emotional, social, and spiritual. So this health allied field of education, it should be connected to allied field of education. Okay? So, ang goal ng isang PE teacher ay ma-develop ang mga kabata, ang mga estudyante mo, no, na sa kanilang in terms of health. Kaya nga meron tayo music, arts, PE, and health na divide into 4 components. Okay? Kapag PE teacher ka, kailangan i-assess mo ang estudyante mo in terms of their health. Okay? So, health instructions is really important, no, based on the focusing on teaching the basic of health in leaving the student to become generally public. Okay? So, ibig sabihin dito, as you as a teacher, if you are a teacher someday, no, you need to instruct the health, about the health, to focus, no, sa iyong mga estudyante para malaman nila kung ano nga dapat ang gagawin nila, anong mga diets nila, anong mga exercise nila. Diba? Exercise, science of exercises, it should be develop your muscles and your bones. Diba? Para maging lean ka, maging sexy ka. So, it's under health instructions. Okay? And also, to deliver of health services is concerned with developing and maintaining satisfaction based on the level of health for all people, no? And environmental health included within the health, the education is concerned the development of the healthful and safe environment for all people and also the recreation. Okay. So, ang health environment natin, yung paglinis ng mga basura, pag-segregate ng mga kalat natin, is an example of under health environment. Okay? To defy the material things around our surroundings para malinisan, dapat kailangan clean and green. Diba, magtatanim tayo ng mga puno para magkaroon tayo ng madaming oxygen na nalalanghap natin, at wag din tayo magsunog ng mga basura para maiwasan din natin yung mga iba't ibang sakit, no? Yung mga planta na diba, yung usok sa planta, because of the bad air, oxygen, bad air, nasisira ng ating ozone layer. So, this example of environmental health issues. Okay? In that health instructions, dito natin tinuturuan yung mga bata, what is health? Okay? Ano ba ang mga health related, no? Yung about sa mga health examples, health related component, okay? Yung cardiovascular endurance, yung muscular endurance, muscular strength, balance, reaction time is example of the health related component, okay? So, next would be is the recreation, okay? In generally thought of as a leisure time and activity. However, it has been defined to fulfilling an education goal. Okay? Because if you are a teacher, future teacher someday, you have to be worthy. You have to be worthy to use of leisure activity in your classrooms. Not only for the course content, but you apply the activity because performance would be is a foundation of the real life situation. Okay? Dapat may mga bata, may self-chosen sila sa activity na you provide for them. Okay? Not your teacher asking to your student what activity should be done. Okay? You meaning, it should be revitalizing and refreshing one's the body and spirit to be mindful. Okay? So, next would be under the allied health is dance. Okay. Dance is an activity has been something of a stepchild for physical education, for dance hangs on over the periphery of the physical education, and according to Freeman in 1997, a steady expression through movement is provided by dance. Correct. Okay? Because dance is the Latin word of danzone. Okay? Dance make your body shapes regularly, make your body to be fit. Dance, it should be an example, an exercise. If you do regularly in weekly or monthly exercise, because dancing can lose fats. Okay, dance is most powerful an example of activity na pwede mong ituro sa mga estudyante mo someday, okay? So, in this the end of our discussion, and I hope all of you are na maraming natutunan at kayo ay magre-review, no, para sa ating midterm examination. Okay? So, kung may mga comments po kayo regarding, or may questions po kayo regarding on this topic, don't forget or don't hesitate us to comment down the section below of our YouTube channel. Ito ang ating topic. Okay? Ito ang ating talakayan ngayong araw to. Maraming salamat and God bless you all.